With its large common areas and many rooms, the Texas Lodge is a great place for gatherings. But sometimes it makes more sense to meet outside. Imagine being out here on a cool, crisp morning, the sun rising, the morning dew. It's beautiful and peaceful. But where exactly would you want to have this meeting? In the front? In the back? On the sides? Maybe by the flagpole by the lodge? Well, we can make some observations to help us answer that question. I'm pretty sure that you've noticed the sun rising and setting in the same direction and way every day. And you can do some more research about it, but that's because the Earth is rotating, and so the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But how is that useful for us to help answer the question of where we'd want to have our meeting? Well, if the sun is rising in the east, that means the sun would be directly on us if we were on the east side. So maybe we'd want to be on the west side of the building. The same thing for when the sun is setting. If the sun is setting on the west side, the sun would be directly on us if we were on the west side of the building. So we'd want to choose a different space. How does that relate to the Texas Lodge and its orientation? Well, the Texas Lodge is actually oriented from the northwest to the southeast. And how do I know that? Well, I use the compass app. That's pretty much on every smartphone. You pull it out, and we can see that when I'm aligned with the front door and the back door of the Texas Lodge along that axis, we're on a northwest to southeast axis. That means that I'm facing northwest, and behind me is southeast. So again, where would you want to have your meeting? I'm going to invite you to come on down to the Texas Lodge and figure that out for yourself. And that's talkSTEM.